In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Fortnite on the PlayStation 5. Now, if you logged into the PlayStation 5, you'll also need a PSN account, so an account that is connected to the PlayStation Network and have access to the internet. So if you're connected to those two things, so what you're going to want to do is scroll over on your navigation bar to the PlayStation Store, and then click into the PlayStation Store. And then here you can navigate to the various different games you might want to download. But if we're going directly to Fortnite, then we're going to go to the top navigation where it says latest, and we're going to scroll over to this search bar, this magnifying glass icon. Select it, and then click into the search for games, and then we're going to type in Fortnite. And once you type in Fortnite, then go ahead and press R2 or go down and press done. And then it will search for Fortnite. And it'll show you the Fortnite games to download. So here you can select this Fortnite game. And then if you have the option to stream, you can stream it. Otherwise, you click download. But you'll also want to pay attention that there is the original Fortnite game or there's the Fortnite Battle Royale version. You're most likely looking for the Battle Royale version, so don't forget to select that. And then you can go ahead and click to confirm purchase, in which it's free to play. And then you can go ahead and download onto your PlayStation 5. So that is how you can download Fortnite on your PlayStation 5 and then log into your Fortnite account and begin playing. Hopefully this was helpful. Thanks for tuning in.